Welcome to workshop number 6, the Campus Cruiser Assignments Editor. This is part of your QEP Tier 1 training courses for faculty professional development. The first thing I'd like to do is show you where the full technical manual for the Assignments Editor is in Leo. In your navigation, if you do not see Faculty Resources, click on More and select Faculty Resources from that menu. And then once you get into Faculty Resources, there is a tab for Campus Cruiser Faculty Manuals. And when you go there and scroll down, you will see that there are several Campus Cruiser faculty manuals available to you. And for this particular module, the manual is entitled Gradebook and Assignments. Everything you need to know about the Assignments Editor is in there. So we're going to go to the dashboard now to select a course to work in. So if you go to My Cruiser and Dashboard, you'll have a list of classes for which you are instructor, and you just want to enter one of those classes. And I'm going into this particular class. Don't worry about which one you choose because we're not going to publish any of this content or show it to the students. So there's no chance anybody will see it, and you can delete it when you're done. Okay, so let's go to Course Design Tools and the Assignments Editor. And the first thing I'd like you to do is click on Settings and note that there are 3 categories of settings: grade schemes and rubrics, assignment categories, and submission settings. These are all described in detail in your Campus Cruiser faculty manual, and we're just going to take a quick look at submission settings. So for the purposes of this exercise, we just want to make sure that Allow Unlimited Submissions is selected, which it is by default, at least in mine. And you can examine the other options: when to close a submission, how to do an email notification. So this is something that you want to look at before you set your assignment up. If you make any changes to what the defaults are, make sure you click Save. And now we're ready to go back to the Assignments Editor and create an assignment. You can use the navigation ribbon to neatly go back to the Assignments Editor and then jump right in by clicking Add Assignment and Add Single Item. Note that you can use a wizard to add multiple items. Okay, so you can create an assignment on anything you'd like. I'm going to create an assignment called Google Image Assignment. And I'm going to make it available for today. Whatever your day is, you can make it available for today. And I'm going to keep it available into the 28th. Now we're ready to put some instructions into this assignment. In order to save you time, I already typed out my instructions in an open word processing document. So I'm just going to copy and paste them in. You can see I set the goal for the assignment, and then there's a list of steps for the students to go through. I'll go ahead and I'll assign some numbering to these steps. And I'll also put a hot linking for Google. So I'll select the word Google and I'll select the chain to add a hot link, and then I'll type in the hot link URL. And leave it opening in a window and click Insert for the link. Okay. So basically what you're asking the students to do is to link to Google, search for a picture of a cat, go to the picture of a cat, download the picture of a cat, and then submit that cat using the Submit Assignment feature. Okay. Over in your assignment editor, there's additional data. Just take a look at that. You do want to uncheck Appears in the Student Assignments list because this is just a practice exercise and you don't want your students in an active course to see it. So go ahead and do that. Over here, you can also limit an assignment to selected individuals, upload material that can then be downloaded by learners, and insert hyperlinks. Take a look at the other options. These are all described in detail in section 7.2.2 of your faculty manual. Go ahead and click Save. Okay. Now, what I'd like you to do is, in your assignments list, click on the assignment so you can see how it's formatted by the assignments editor. So this is looking very nice. You can see it's got the name of the class inserted for you, the title of the assignment, the availability dates, the due date, the instructions for the assignment, and this is your view, so it says submission open and go to submission info. The student view looks a little bit different. This is the student view of the assignment, so note that it says you have not yet submitted your assignment, and it provides a submit your assignment and a feedback button for the students, so it looks a little different from what you see as the instructor. So that was a very quick overview of using the assignments editor. The assignments editor is a powerful tool. It's something that you can learn a lot more about by creating your own assignments and using the faculty manual. I just want to end the video with a review of the recommended workflow for creating modules in Campus Cruiser. So in workshop number 5, we covered using the Course Designer Module Creator, and the workflow recommended was to create your syllabus with an outline that defines each module with the learning objectives, content, assignment, and assessment. So this is why knowing the assignments editor is so important before you actually start creating modules. It's recommended that you create your assignments first, then your assessments, and then your modules. And just a reminder that you have been provided with a template for designing course modules. Okay, thank you very much for taking a look at this video. Go ahead and do your quiz.